Hi guys, this is John Strong and welcome to part 6. Today we're going to fix some things. We modeled the last part and we applied the texture, but let's start. So we're going to fix some things like this handle, and what we're going to do is to apply the mirror and delete this face, X and face, so you have a better shape. Because if you don't delete the face, you have at the interface, you have a problem. And here, just hit L, and grab to the center. Oops, maybe another bit. Okay. And going to do L. So here maybe Control N to normals. Okay. Check the normal outside. Do the same here. Hit L and Control N. Now what we're gonna do is to go. We check also this other handle, and also for this what we do, we apply mirror, and also for this we maybe rotate a little bit. Okay. And here you can notice that there is a deformation, and if you delete the face at the interface of the mirror, you fix the problem. And what do we do is to join these two objects by hitting Ctrl J and select everything, move it to the center. Okay. Now what we have to do, we have to model also the deck lines. We did last time the safety line, but not at all. So let's maximize the window by Control up arrow and go in edit mode and select this, Shift D, grab, rotate, grab, and mirror is always enabled. So what we do is to disable the clipping. And select this vertices and grab until here. Maybe in this case is useful to have the orientation as view here. Select here. What we do now is to Control R, maybe, and to create maybe too much. Control R again. Just let's try to. And what we do is to grab. Okay. Looks good. So center the view, and it's a little bit boring this, but we need to fix everything. Okay. back from the top view, and now what we do is to select this again, select this, shift A grab, rotate, select these vertices and grab until there. Control R to create some other vertices. Oops. Sorry. Control R. Just to fit better on the deck lines. Okay. Now we have to move these safety lines. Oops, to select these, and what we do is to extrude again. Side view, and extrude, grab, depth view, hit zeta, rotate, and we enable clipping. Something is wrong. Well, what I do is delete these vertices. Join this. What I do is to also enable the smooth shading. And Control R. Oops. Hit Control R to okay. As you know, the handle is not in the center, so I can fix better this. Okay, now it's okay. And what we do is pick this, Shift D grab, what's up? No, because I have selected more vertices, so deselect everything, hitting A, hit B, Shift D grab, rotate, and click this vertices and grab until the handle. side view, and we repeat the same operation as before, and extrude, rotate. What do we do? Oh, here we don't have the in face, so it's better. Okay, here down. Now let's check the mesh. What we notice here is that the topology is not right, because when we created the inspection, when the inspection tab, here we need a better topology, because here we have to apply our texture, so it's important to have nice topology. So what I do, hit H to hide this, and now I'm going to work just from one side, because afterwards I'm going to delete half and create another mirror. So what I do now is to delete these vertices. Okay, and select the orientation as global. Let's see. What to do is just extrude, just rotate, scale in this way. One and just can I Control M to join, sorry, Control M. We want to join these vertices. Alt M, sorry, at center. Alt M at center. And select these faces as well. And here, enable vertex display, and I'm going to extrude this vertex. Select the edge. Will work. Create one face here and one face here. The mesh is now deformed. And create another face here and one this face. So now it's better. Now looks better. Alt H to enable the view, side view, and what we are going to adjust these lines. Okay, back from top view. It's 7 and extrude. Move this down. What I do now is to enable just the kayak. So, and I move this to first layer. And in this case, what I go in edit mode, and I want to just work on 1/2. So ensure that the center of the object, the origin is at the center of the object by Ctrl or Shift C, origin to geometry. And so I'm going to select these vertices from this side. Oops. B. And here, where I think I will have a problem, because where if I delete these vertices, I delete also these faces. So after I'm going to recreate the faces, and select this, select this. Sorry, select this, and select this and this. Okay, let's try to delete these vertices. Oops, and now, because we have to select also this one, X vertices, and yeah. Okay, now works. Let's see how we're here. We don't have the faces anymore, so we have to recreate the faces, and also here we don't have the faces. So go add modifier and select the mirror. Select the mirror along y-axis and enable clipping. To recreate the face, and something changed because actually yeah, I created and just this is the mirror part of this one, but I need to create, so I have to modify this by creating face here and deleting this face. Okay, and now I'm going to join these two. Oops, no. Join this with this. Join this with this one. Okay. As you see, there's some problem here. We have to join at the center. Sorry for that. I created a little bit of chaos. And this one, this one, this one, this one. Okay. Face. So now like this. Control apply the edge crease. Now we need to apply at this edge also the edge crease. Control edge crease. Okay. And here, yeah, we have the edge crease. top view. We have just to adjust okay, now looks better. Now let's see if I apply here another crease. Maybe. What I need to do is increase this one. Yep. So Control E. Okay. Seems good. So seems good. And back to the mesh. And just move these vertices. Drop down. Now it's better. So now it's better and everything looks nice. So what I do now, let's see, enable also this layer. Just adjust seed binary. Okay. And now we are going to apply some textures. Well, what I do now is to create a material. Nope, sorry. So yeah, so this will be deck. We'll have the hull. This will be deck, sorry. Deck. And you want the logo. So over here on the deck. Sorry for the confusion. So rudder logo. The rudder logo. What about the rudder logo? Going to select these faces and going to assign. So on the go to UV editing. Hit 5. and enable texture. Here we are going to open our reference image and kayak image epic at next and take this one. So now just select these faces. I'm going to hit U and project and select project from view. Scale. Okay. Grab X. Rotate a little bit. And grab Y. Move this. Select this. Going to okay, and now from the opposite view, select also this other face. So we do the same in this case. So opposite view, and then going to scale Y, to grab X. Okay, this way. Scale Y. Okay, and back to here, and now we're going to assign. We're going to create another material. I think I'm going to call black the black line, and the black line will be so select all this mesh. Okay, and then going to code black line sign sign and select the UV editing, and I'm going to load. Let's open this one. Well, this one is really easy to do with game, just black strip, and here I'm going to hit U, and this time follow active quotes. You see, and the scale X, scale X, grab X, scale X again, and scale X again, scale X again, grab X, scale Y, scale X again. Okay, so what I have here are all the quotes that I have selected here. So as you see, we have the black line, but we have to rotate this by 100 degrees, 180 degrees to have the black bag, to have the black line here. So what we can do now is to adjust the thickness of these lines. You can select this, grab Y, and let's see where we are. Grab Y. Yeah, we are at the bow. We can see as I can move this vertex, I move the thickness. At the bow, and now so selecting this, grab Y, and move this. Okay, grab Y. Okay. And from this side, we have to move instead this other. Grab Y. Select this. Grab Y. Okay. Just understand which control this. Okay. So grab Y. And here there is the junction between the faces. So I need in this point that the line has the same thickness, and I can adjust this way. Okay. So, but here is the thick. So grab Y. Not bad. We don't need to have the same thickness everywhere, but almost the same. Now we have to have the logo here at the bow. So what I do is to go here and the rudder logo. And select these faces and the sign. Okay. And get a UV editing and load. Going to load this time this one. Select this and this. And you on the project from view. Scale, rotate it. Scale Y. Grab X. And the E. Try to adjust the E. scale Y, grab Y. Grab X. Okay, I think it's nice. Maybe just scale this one. Okay, do the same for this other view. Unwrap from view. Select row and select the medium point scale. Grab X. Scale Y. And to rotate. Scale Y. Grab Y. And grab X to move the return at the bow. And just scale a little bit to reference the cursor. Grab X. Okay. So back to default, and what I do now is to select the rollers, select the black line, and I have to add another material that I'm going to call the bow logo. This is the bow logo sign. So select this rudder logo. So now Control I, deselect the hull, oops, deselect this, going to deselect this, and deselect also this stuff. And so I've selected in this way the deck, and the deck, and then I'm going to assign. And now black line select, rudder logo, bow logo, Control I, and we have the hull sign. So, but let's start from the rudder logo, apply a texture. I'm going to pick the image up and desktop image. So the rudder is this one. What I do is to select UV and clip. Okay. So going to the deck. For the deck, I just want red. So I just select 1, 0, 0. And the hull is white, and the white I'm going to choose is 1 1 1 1. Okay, the black line I'm going to apply a texture, so image, and image, this one. Okay, and clip and select UV, and finally the bow, select the textures, image, and let's see what I have to pick. Let's see what I have to pick. This one. Okay, and choose clip and choose UV. Oh, sorry, UV. Now let's see how it looks. Let's see how it looks. Move this camera, rotate. Let's see what I see. Actually, maybe if I move top view. Okay. What I'm going to shift here, I add some lamps. Rotate. Let's see. How it looks. Just hit F12, and what we have is this. So we have to fix some things. The display, this has to be red, and this has to be white as the color of the hull. So we can check this, we can fix these things really easily. Let's start from this texture, the epic texture, because the epic textures here what we see is the color. This color has to be white, has to be 1. This color has to be 1 because the hull has this one. So also for the rudder logo, I set 1. Set 1. Okay. And this has to be red. So what I can do is select black line, and here I can set this to 0, so the red will be it. But another thing to do is the black line. Okay, here there is the shader, so I have to move the line, but this black line, I want that this arrives at just at the tip of the bow. And so what I can do is to go in edit mode, hit 5, and what I do, and Control X, sorry, grab X, grab theta, and grab theta. Okay. Select the vertices, Okay. Oh, looks. Oops. Because I didn't. So let's try to adjust. I know bet. Opposite view. Okay. Oh, we have also this problem. So select these two faces and assign to the hull. Okay. And now let's save to prevent crash and re-render. And so now it's better. Now it's better, and so what we can do is assign just the color black to all these safety lines, and okay, we have this shader, but what we can do is just rotate a little bit, and maybe here the Epic logo. The Epic has to be. Oh, it's nice. I think it's nice. What to do now is to check this stuff, check this, and just assign a black color. Oops. Check the belts, assign black color. Check this stuff. I'm going to set two materials. Just I'm going to base and screw. And let's see what the base is. Assign and screw and assign. And this one I'm going to set as gray. And this one I'm going to set the density. Just white is nice. Gray. Okay. Re-render everything. Okay, pretty good. It's pretty good. Just set the handles. Also, the handle is black. And also for the handles, we have two materials that I'm going to call base and let's assign L, assign diffuse black, and assign also to this one. Okay. Instead, sorry, this will be a screw. Screw, and this is the base. Oops. So select this. As something doesn't work. There is a problem here. So let's try to fix this. Hit L and move it here. Okay, and assign. hit L, and move up, screw assign. Oops, sorry, screw assign. Oops, these are like this. L and screw assign. Oops, no. L and screw assign. Screw assign. So hit L. Okay. Now we render everything. Maximize this window, and we have this kayak, this wonderful kayak. Okay. So it's really enough for today. See you next part, guys. Bye.